Alright, good afternoon, everyone. Let me get my camera rolling for this test. We had a couple of issues. Okay, there we go. I should be getting this up now. The countdown clock is incorrect. That will not be using, or we are not going in 29 minutes, or sorry, 59 minutes. We will be going in just a minute. I just have to redo this camera. So let me see what I can do. Alright, so I want properties, and I want that camera, potentially. Okay, just waiting on my phone camera to cooperate. You should start seeing video feeds now. There we are. Alright, good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to be doing a launch integration test. This has been one heck of a day so far. As you can tell, I'm not all happy and merry-go-round as I was earlier, and that is because I am having problems with the staging computer, and I am not very happy about that. So hopefully within the next couple of hours, I will be able to get all of that stuff figured out for us to be able to launch on the 8th of, on the 8th of August. Currently, this issue has about a 50-50% shot, or 50-50 chance of delaying the flight until September. And I hate to say that, but there is a problem with the staging computer. I was testing it earlier, trying to test out the staging mechanism, and I may have possibly messed up something electronically on the computer, even though, it was doing everything by the book, and so we will have to see what we're going to do there. So we are going to have a current T0 of 7. We're going to do 7:15 p.m. So it is Eastern time here at launch site Everest, and my MacBook is about to die. So give me one moment and I will be right back. Alright, I have returned. I'm getting my laptop plugged in now. Oops. Oop. There we go. Alright, we're charging. Okay, for those who are just joining, hi. I'm sorry that it's been a little quiet for a second. I have been trying to, Starship project. No, there was not smoke, but I did hear a pop when I attempted to send the voltage to the igniter. So that is, so with the Blue Jay Plus, if you don't know, it uses a strong magnet in order to, and shoot, I don't have footage from the camera. Give me just a moment. Alright, give me just a moment to see if I can get my camera working again. Okay, give me just a minute, please. There we go. Okay, we're back on. Let me see. Okay, that is using the wrong camera. I would like just my normal camera, please. There we are. Okay, we are back. Okay, but yeah, so yeah, okay. I'm not really sure as to what happened exactly, but I'm gonna figure that out. And the camera's out again. Why is the camera out again? Give me one moment while I figure out why my camera is out again. Alright, give me one moment. Yeah, just give me a minute to figure out why my camera isn't working. So, one moment, please. Alright, let me try this again. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Camera is up again. Alright. Let's hope that this stays on now. I did have to move it a little bit just to get it up and ready. So let me zoom in a little bit. Alright, so with those delays, we are going to target, let's do 7:17 for the test today for our T0. So let me do, it is July 25th, 2026. And then we are going to target 7:17 p.m. and then apply that to our countdown. All right, so we are 4 minutes and counting. Let me go ahead and go get my camera so I can start, my actual camera, so I can start taking some nice photos. photo taking will have to come in a few minutes. I am going to wait until we hit the T-minus 1 minute mark. So we will not be testing the launch computer today until I figure out what in the world was wrong with it. So the computer is powering on. I would like to mention that the computer is powering on. It just won't send any voltage to the igniter. When I tried to ignite it, it didn't ignite. And it will no longer turn off. So that's a problem. So we're gonna wait a minute so that I can, because I have to manually open the or turn on the tower once it's time. So while I'm at it, let me go ahead and start doing that. So I'm just gonna hide this screen for just a second. There we go. And let me reactivate that. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 60 seconds. All right. The 60-second count is started. So we should, in about 60 seconds, see the chopsticks, or at T-minus 10, see the chopsticks open, and then at T-minus 5, see the QD arm open, and then at T plus 60, both should close. Not exactly at the same time, but both should close around that time. So we will be waiting until that does what it's supposed to do. So yeah. We should be going in about 7 seconds for the chopsticks. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chopsticks open. 8, 7, 6. QD arm open. 4, 3, 2, 1. That would be ignition and liftoff. And then we wait and staging. And then parachute deployment on booster. And then parachute deployment on ship. Or now, parachute deployment on ship. And then both would descend. Booster and ship are in descent. Booster has a confirmed touchdown. And ship is still descending, about 100 feet. And ship has landed. And we should see the whole tower reset in about 10 seconds. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, tower reset. And the tower has reset, which does in fact conclude today's test. So, yeah. All right. So that does conclude today's integrations test. I will update you guys on the launch controller once I figure out how to fix it. I will be contacting Featherweight to see if I can get that fixed. If not, then we will figure something else out. So thank you guys for watching this stream. Hopefully when I get the computer fixed or find another option, we will do another stream for another launch rehearsal. So this has been Matthew from Matthew the Rocket Nerd and